Fertilizers are a vital nutrient required by every crop to enable strong roots and healthy growth. Mineral fertilizers increase food production and are directly responsible for sustaining over half of the planet's population. But the world is changing. Populations are growing, and by 2050, there will be another 2.4 billion mouths to feed. It's a challenge that needs to be met head-on. Global crop yields will have to increase. Farmers will have to grow more, and the intelligent use of fertilizers will be integral to the solution. Fortunately, GCC fertilizer producers have been blessed with an abundant supply of key ingredients: natural gas, phosphate rocks, and sulfur. Over the past 4 decades, the GCC countries have built a growing industry that has allowed the region to share vital nutrients to feed the world. Driven by Saudi Arabia and Qatar, the GCC's major fertilizer producers, production capacity in the GCC reached 40.9 million tons in 2014. Nitrogen-based fertilizers like ammonia and urea dominate production capacity, with a combined 26.8 million tons shipped to more than 90 countries last year. In all, the GCC accounts for 12% of global ammonia trade, approximately 1/3 of global urea trade, and 10% of world DAP trade. While Asia is the largest export market for GCC fertilizer, export volume and market penetration is growing fast, with GCC fertilizers reaching 25 to 30 countries across the booming African continent. But while nitrogen fertilizers continue to represent the lion's share of GCC production, GCC producers are diversifying their portfolios to include more phosphates. This drive requires research and innovation sensitive to local conditions and farming practices. It requires promoting smarter fertilizer use globally through R&D and partnerships between industry and academia, creating changes that drive technological improvement and push the limits of science and technology for sustainable agriculture. Investment is also a key to success, which is why dramatic capacity increases are expected over the next 5 years, including 2 new plants in Saudi Arabia, as well as expansions to sites in Bahrain and Qatar. To achieve the goal of global food security, the fertilizer industry needs to continue to embrace innovation. Innovations in fertilizer management, such as precision agriculture, have led to better nutrient use efficiency through the 4R nutrient framework. The right fertilizer product at the right rate, time, and place. Application of the 4R framework has been proven to increase crop production, improve profitability, minimize nutrient loss, and maintain soil fertility, ensuring sustainable agriculture for generations to come. At this conference, we have gathered together the world's top fertilizer experts to network, mine new ideas, and share best practices to refine our knowledge and nurture partnerships. By ensuring we innovate for growth, together we can create an efficient, sustainable future. Welcome to the 6th Annual GPCA Fertilizer Convention.